Hello. In this fun math challenges for kids video, I want to show you the game of set. So let me explain to you about how the game of set works. The game of set has been around for a little while. You can buy it as a card game. You can play a daily puzzle at setgame.com, and you can also play a daily puzzle at the New York Times. And I'll be showing those in this video. Here we are at Amazon, and you can buy it here. You can buy it other places online. Here's a girl that has found a couple of sets, and there is a nice video here, which goes into a little bit more detail maybe than I'm going through in this video. So the cards in the set deck each have four features. There's a color, a symbol, a shading, and a number. And you can see on the screen here we have a number of cards. There are three values of each feature. There are three colors: red, purple, and green. There are three symbols: squiggle, diamond, and oval. There's three types of shading: solid shading, striped shading, and outline shading, or no shading at all. And there's three numbers, as you can see. We might have one symbol, we might have two, or we might have three. 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 is 81, so there are 81 cards in the set deck, and they are all different. Now, how do you make a set? A set is three cards in which each individual feature is either all the same on each card or all different on each card. Let's take a look at an example of a set. Okay, I'm over at setgame.com now, and I'm looking at yesterday's puzzle answer. At setgame.com, you have 12 cards, and you're trying to find the sets. And right down here is one set. This is a set because in terms of the color, all three colors are different. In terms of the symbol, all three symbols are the same. In terms of shading, all the shadings are different, and the number of symbols is different. This is an example of a set. Okay, let's go over to the set puzzle for the daily puzzle at the New York Times, and this is basic 1. In the basic puzzles at the New York Times, you're given 9 cards and you're expected to find 4 sets. Let's see if we can find a set here. This card, and this card give us a set because they all have the same number, 3. They all have the same shape, which is squiggle. They all have the same shading, which is open. But what's different is the color. Let's see if we can find another set. Another example of a set would be these 3. They are the same in the shape, which is a squiggle. They're the same in the shading, but they are different in terms of number and in terms of color. There would be 2 more here. This basic is a good place to start. Here's another basic one, and it's a little bit easier because these are all shaded in. If you go to advanced 1, now you have 12 cards, and we're expected to find 6 sets. Let's see if we can find a set here. This striped red diamond, this green shaded squiggle, and this open oval are a set. They all have the same number, but they're different in color, they're different in shape, and they're all different in shading. One of the things that's interesting about the set game is when you pick two cards, let's say we have this one with the two green squiggles that are shaded, and this one with the three striped red diamonds. The third card that would make up the set is unique, and let's see if that card is here available. This is going to be different, so I need a single. I need to have it be open. I need it to be oval and purple. It looks like this one is the answer down here. These three cards make up a set, and they are different in all the features. Now, if we go to the daily set game here, let me zoom here a little bit so you can see it. I'm here at setgame.com now, and there's a daily puzzle here, and we are to find 6 sets. So maybe we'll find the first example here. 1 open diamond, 1 that's purple, 1 green open oval, and 1 red open squiggle are a set, and here is the first set. And your challenge is to find 6 sets in here, and there are 6 sets. One of the things that's kind of neat about setgame.com is they do have a daily drawing. So once you get it correct, you'll be asked to enter an email, I believe, and your name will be put in a drawing, and you might win a prize. If you're a child, you need to get permission from your parents to put in an email. So you can play at setgame.com and the NewYorkTimes.com. I like to go to setgame.com, which takes you to this page where they have the daily one, but they also have a link right here under Play Online where you can jump over to the New York Times. I recommend the set game. You can play online as a challenge, or using the cards, you can have it be a 2-person game. Or you can play online against someone else and see who can find the sets first. Have a great day.